Hey guys, this is Dalton Quigley with Quigley's Landscaping. Let's take a look at another one of our beautiful projects. Here in Nashville, we took up a brick walkway, and this is the brick from it. Take a look at this, it's super cool. The brick even has the name of the manufacturer. Let's take a look at what we built where the old brick walkway was. So remember, we're just replacing the square footage that was there. So this isn't the normal 3 foot wide or 4 foot wide walkway that we did. We're simply replacing what was there. So as we come around, let's take a look at this paver too. It's a 3-piece. So there's a square, a rectangle, and then a twin piece. So right here is where the walkway comes up. And from here, here's a wall we built a couple years ago here. As you come up the walkway, the client can now go to her mailbox. Just imagine if this was your property. You know, you want to replace an old walkway so that now you can walk on something new and beautiful. You know, this neighborhood is undergoing a lot of changes. This is an older home, but right over here, a very modern home. So this client is updating her landscape, and we put a drain in because this upper area drains down here, so it won't be tracking dirt across the walkway. And that's it. That's the job for today. Thank you for watching one of my videos, and I'll see you at your project. 615-715-8216. I'm Dalton Quigley with Quigley's Landscaping. See you soon. Bye.